Sawadee Kop. Welcome to Break Time with Monte. Today's story, Koreans killed in boat crash found. The bodies of two South Korean tourists were found underwater Tuesday evening near where their tourist boat rammed a trawler near Phuket 2 days earlier. Koreans killed in boat crash found. The bodies of two South Korean tourists were found underwater Tuesday evening near where their tourist boat rammed a trawler near Phuket 2 days earlier. Police Lieutenant Chatchai Sakdi, a Marine police inspector in Phuket province, said Tuesday that the bodies of Min Woo Go, 31, and Sun Young Am, 28, were found pinned under part of the sunken wreck of their speedboat before 5 p.m. The boat collided with a trawler during its return trip to Phuket from the Phi Phi Islands Sunday evening. The crash occurred about 5 nautical miles from Koh Yao Island of Panagna province. The search took place over a radius of about 5 nautical miles, but the bodies were finally spotted under the speedboat wreck. On Tuesday, Marine police patrol boats, the Marine Department, and Department of Fisheries all were deployed to facilitate the search, which is taking place over a radius of about 5 nautical miles from the accident scene near Musang Rock, which lies about 5 miles from Koh Yao in Pangnapa province. Officials also surveyed nearby coasts. The two ill-fated South Korean tourists were identified as Yu Win Woo, 31, and An San Yong, 28. They were among 37 passengers on the Sea Star 29 speedboat. It was reported that the two were on the bow of the boat and were not wearing a life jacket. Speedboat driver Surat Mat Osat, 36, was charged with recklessness. He reportedly told the police he had ducked to pick up an object while driving the boat from Phi Phi Islands toward Phuket province. When he stood up, he saw the boat was about to collide with a trawler, so he swerved, but still hit a trawling line. The two South Koreans fell into the sea upon impact, which breached the hull and sank the speedboat in about 30 minutes. 20 tourists were injured in the incident that happened at about 5:30 p.m. on Sunday. Relatives of the missing tourists arrived in Phuket to monitor progress in the search. And now, today's vocabulary. Accident, accident, bow, bow, breach, breach, charge, charge, coast, coast, collide, collide, collision, collision, crash, crash, deploy, deploy, duck, duck, facilitate, facilitate, hull, hull, identified, identified, ill-fated, ill-fated, impact, impact, incident, incident, inspector, inspector, life jacket, life jacket. Line, line. Marine, marine. Missing, missing. Monitor, monitor. Nautical mile, nautical mile. Object, object. Occurrence, occurrence. Officials, officials. Passenger, passenger. Pick up, pick up. Pin, pin. Progress, progress. Province, province. Radius, radius. Ram, ram. Recklessness, recklessness. Relative, relative. Reportedly, reportedly. Seen, seen. Search, search. Sink, sink. Spotted, spotted. Sunken, sunken. Survey, survey. Swerve, swerve. Trawler, trawler. Wreck, wreck. That's today's story and vocabulary. You have a great day. I'll see you next time on Break Time with Monte.